great to see you, Grant, and it's a great night to be with you. And I have some breaking news for you on the legal fight, and that is that the Pennsylvania legislature in both the House and the Senate have issued a statement saying that they are going to introduce resolutions in the House and the Senate to take back their Article 2, Section 1.2 constitutionally delegated authority and take back from these corrupt election officials the right to be able to put forward their delegates in Pennsylvania in the manner that the legislature authorizes. And so this is a huge thing that came out of the hearing where they heard all of the evidence that we had of corruption. They heard from these witnesses. They heard what more we have. And so the Pennsylvania state legislature is moving on this, and we are very, very proud of their courage.
All right. So they say they can do this with a joint resolution because one of the at least challenges in Pennsylvania, you got a Democratic governor there who could stop a law passed. They say they can do it with a joint resolution. My guess is that's going to end up in a legal case as well. How do you see this playing out?
Right. So under the Constitution in Article 2, Section 1.2, the governor is not mentioned, nor is any other elected official. The sole power to determine the manner in which the Electoral College delegates are appointed is vested solely with the state legislature. So these resolutions do not need to be approved by the governor. He has nothing to do with it. This is all about the state legislature. And that's why the state legislature is moving on these resolutions. And they'll be moving very quickly. And this is why, for all of the people out there making fun of these hearings, this was the opportunity when we first went to court that we asked for, is to be able to present an evidentiary hearing so that the judicial branch could tell the legislature to do their job. We're very grateful that the Pennsylvania state legislature doesn't need a court order to do their job. They're doing it by themselves, and they're doing it under their constitutionally delegated authority. They're moving on this, and this is exactly what the provision of the Constitution provides for. And this is exactly what it was intended to do, is to make sure that corruption in elections does not get through without oversight of the legislature. So they are not going to allow this corruption to continue.
We can speak on a very important issue. Throughout the United States, many students have walked out of schools at 10 a.m. in regards to the 17 that were massacred in Florida.